Hello guys, welcome to another of my videos. Today we're gonna talk about astronomy. So before we talk about the cool facts we're gonna learn, first we must learn about astronomy. A good place to start is the definition of astronomy. Astronomy is the study of space and time. But before I tell you some cool facts, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to tickle that little notification button to always get notified when I upload a video. Let's get to it. The king of all planets is called Jupiter. Is so big that all the other planets merge into one. That planet would be still 2 times smaller than Jupiter. Now you have a feeling of how big this planet is. But we're still not done. Jupiter is so big that it has a storm the size of Earth. I'm not joking. This storm has been raging for about 400 to 600 years. Let me tell you how big this storm is. When it was first formed, it was 3 times the size of Earth. But now it's shrinking and it can only fit about 1 Earth. So now I'm gonna show you a picture that the Juno space probe launched from NASA took. So before I show you the photo, I want to talk more about how this planet was formed. Scientists kind of think that Jupiter is the origin of the solar system. Oh, here comes a photo. This is a photo that the Juno spacecraft took. Now let me tell you, this is the south pole of Jupiter. So this is about 32,000 miles above the surface, or 52,000 kilometers. The oval features or cyclones up to 600 miles or 1,000 kilometers in diameter. Multiple images taken from the Juno CAM instrument on 3 separate orbits were combined to show all areas in daylight. Enhanced colors, stereographic projections. Here are the 5 facts that you're gonna learn today. Gas giants like Jupiter do not have solid surfaces, so if you drop a penny from the cloud tops, it would never land with a clink. These bodies are mostly combined of hydrogen at temperatures above critical points for hydrogen meanings, and this is no sharp boundary between solids, liquids, and gaseous regions. But gas giants do not have layers. For example, if you could somehow endure the high temperature, pressure, and radiation levels and survive a dive into Jupiter, you would first swim to a stormy atmosphere of hydrogen. You would pass through layers of ammonia clouds, sulfide clouds, and then water clouds. You would probably even begin to float when density of the gas around you matched that of your body. And if you could weigh yourself down, you could keep sinking the entire thick layer of metallic hydrogen. And where electrons and protons move separately from one another, the temperature would get hotter and hotter. You keep diving up to 20,000 Kelvin, 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So the other thing I want to tell you about is size comparison. This is an image of Jupiter, a brown dwarf star, a low mass star, and our sun. This is an image shown into Jupiter size comparison. I'll tell you more about stars, that kind of stuff later in the course of this video, but later in another of my videos. But for now, just look at the size comparison. As you can see, this is the size comparison, and let me show you the great red spot. This is a great red spot, and can you see little Earth, how small it is? So this is how small Earth is compared to Jupiter's storm, to be exact. So as you can see, Earth is quite small, but this isn't it. Jupiter can fit about, Jupiter is 11 Earths wide. Its equator alone is 11 Earths wide. So as you can see, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. So I will be letting go another, and I will release another video, but this is all I have to say. I hope you like this video. Bye.